Welcome back. So the Police and Prisons Civil Rights Union, POPCRU in KwaZulu-Natal, is picketing at the Pietermaritzburg High Court. POPCRU has raised concerns around the continued killings of police officers. The picket has been spurred by the latest incident in Durban, where 2 police officers were killed in a shopping mall robbery over the weekend. We cross now to our reporter, Vusi Khumalo, for more. Vusi, a good morning to you. I think let's start off firstly with, bringing us up to speed with that, that incident at the shopping mall over the weekend.
Yes, good morning, Naledi. Yes, indeed, we are here in Pietermaritzburg. We are just before the Pietermaritzburg Magistrate Court, where 2 suspects who are alleged to have killed a policeman early this month here at Mbali Township, just outside Pietermaritzburg. The 2 are appearing today for the alleged killing of a policeman here in Pietermaritzburg. So the POPCRU, the union from the SABC that is here picketing outside the magistrate court, wanting these 2 suspects to be denied bail because they are here to apply for bail application. With me is the Provincial Secretary of POPCRU in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, Inter-departmental, who's going to tell us more details about today's protest, the pickets that is taking place. Good morning. Just take us about the main purpose of gathering just before the magistrate court here today with your SABC member under the POPCRU.
The main purpose of us to be here is because we are very, very angry about the killing of the police. Last week we had 5 police officers that have been killed. Here in KwaZulu-Natal we have 3 police officers that have been killed. So there is the suspect that is appearing today for bail application. So we are saying, as the organization, as POPCRU, as members of the police, no bail for the suspect. The suspect must not get the bail, and the person who is attacking the police or killing the police must be given the sentence of life sentence in prison, and the charge must also be changed to treason, because once you kill the police, it amounts to attacking the state. So we are very, very angry about what is happening in our province. That is why we are saying that the police officers must guard themselves. They must make sure that if their lives or any life of the innocent people is in danger, they must not have but to use their firearms that is given to them by the state and shoot and kill the perpetrators.
Do you think that the police hierarchy, starting from the department itself, the management, are they doing enough in order to protect police who are working on the ground?
I think the challenge is with the laws. The laws that are being used in the police, it's 1977 laws, which needs to be changed. So even though the management can be able to wish to change those laws in terms of making sure that they protect the police, but it is going to be very difficult. That is why we are saying that the government must change the Section 49 of Criminal Procedure Act so that the police can be protected and also be able to act if there is anything that is endangered against them.
We've just recently held a conference here in KwaZulu-Natal. So what were some of the resolutions that you have taken up in that conference?
There are a lot of resolutions that we have taken because in the sectors that we organize in, we are having many challenges. As POPCRU, we are not only organizing in police SAPS, but we also organize in correctional service, Department of RTI, Department of Transport, and also community safety and liaison. So in different sectors, there are resolutions that will be taken concerning such. So there are also the resolution of One Police Act, so that there will be synergy in terms of doing the work. And also we are saying that the judiciary, together with SAPS and correctional services, they must must work together in terms of making sure that there is synergy, because when you are in SAPS, you don't know what correctional services is doing or the judiciary is doing. So there is no synergy, there is no working relations, because once the Minister of Police is giving the statistics, they must all combinedly, jointly give the statistics of what is happening in terms of crime, because the crime is a chain. It's not only ending with SAPS, because most of the time when there are crime stats, it's only the Minister of Police who also goes and gives such. But there are courts, because most of the people, when they are released or given the bail by the court, and then from court they go to correctional services. But what is happening in correctional services, you see? So there are a lot of resolutions that we taken. Also in terms of the well-being of the members, we are having many challenges at the workplace, the bread and butter issues, which also going to be beneficial to our members.
There's also a lot of criticism that goes to the SABC members for handling of the crime scenes, the bungling of cases, and also quite a number of people still do have some complaints regarding that a number of cases get even being thrown out of court for lack of evidence, starting from the work of the police, because they are the first ones who are being called to the scene to investigate.
Unfortunately, as the organization, there is no one who has complained about that. If you are making a complaint, you must make sure that you come with what was the rationale behind such complaint, and then you must also do your research. You must also say, in terms of 1, 2, and 3, and 4, the police officers are not doing well. But to just do the blanket statement, I think is totally wrong. And us as the organization, there is no one who has came forth to say, POPCRU, as the representatives of the members, your members are not doing good here and here and here. So for now, we are just going to dispute that, because there is nothing that has been coming forth to us as the organization.
Okay, that's Tabi saying, Leif, as I'm asking our camera person, Nomhlengubani, just to pan through slowly on her left so that you can see a number of SABC members under the banner of POPCRU who are holding and carrying their posters aloft, saying that no bail for the police killers. She has alluded earlier that immediately after the police minister picket released crime stats on Friday last week, saying that 35 policemen have been killed. These are the women in blue. Women and men in blue. 35 police have been killed since the second quarter of this year. From July to September, there were 35 police who were killed. But then again, the province of KwaZulu-Natal has also experienced 3 of the killings immediately after the second quarter, which is from July up to September. So the majority are in KwaZulu-Natal out of the 5 police who were killed nationally. As we are today awaiting for the appearance of the 2 suspects who are appearing regarding the police killings that took place at Mbali Township here in Pietermaritzburg. There's also over the weekend Riyad Adams, who was killed over the weekend in Durban, allegedly by the robbers who were robbing 2 jewelry stores in Pavilion Mall in Durban.
Yeah, very tragic stories and very concerning. That. Thank you so much for bringing us that report. That there is Vusi Khumalo speaking to us from KwaZulu-Natal.